I don't even have the idea. So let me see. Okay. Okay, I'm going to create a project for news. Okay, I'm going to create a project for news. So I can say e and then I put dash news. My website will be called e-news. So this e-news is going to be added to the extension of their hosting because it is what? It is not for it is for free. That's why they are going to give me part of their domain. So I select a name that is existing, which is e-news, and then I click on this tick. So when I click on this good, they will start creating for me a space where I'll host my what? My website. Those who attended yesterday's class, you remember what is meant by hosting and what is meant by what? By domain. So at this moment they are creating for me a what? A hosting service. So I'll be patient and wait until it is done. So we shall wait for a few minutes until it is done. Then they'll notify us, and when they'll notify us, we shall be able to proceed to our cPanel. So let us wait. You can even refresh. They'll show you the progress. Yep. So you can refresh, and when you refresh, you can see here it is done. You see, there is good, and we're having enews.unews.com. This is because it is for free. That's why they are putting their domain. So once it is for free, once they have created it for you, you click on manage. So this manage, they'll give you a control where you can control your hosting services. You remember yesterday when you talked about hosting services. But here you can read about your username and your status. You can read about the FTP. You can read about the server names where your location, the website is located. You can see your password here. That's the password that I've created for me. So in simple terms, this is just a brief information about your hosting services. So the most important part here is the cPanel. You still remember yesterday when we talked about the control panel. So here they also give you a cPanel. So I'll click on my cPanel, and then they'll redirect me to the to the cPanel where I can manage my what? My hosting. And this is the cPanel itself. They'll ask me to approve something. I'll just click on approve. So then they will say, I have successfully done what? I have successfully created my what? My account. So those members who are here yesterday, you remember our cPanel. These features are not new for you. Those who are here yesterday, you remember the cPanel. These features are not new for you. You have here your online file manager. If I click online file manager, this one, they will give us a space where I can manage my what? My storage that they've given to me. So this website, this hosting, so here in htdocs, they remember yesterday we had public HTML, but here the information will go inside the htdocs. And you should know that this hosting, they give us unlimited space. Not like yesterday we had only 5 GB. But here you can even upload movies and movies. They will not what? They will not mind about the space. So that's a brief introduction. So I'll come, this is just, you remember the file manager. So here you can upload anything that you want, and you can access it via your domain. So I'll come back to the cPanel, the control panel. And you remember, how did I come to the control panel? I came to the free host, I created an account. After creating an account, they confirmed, then I click on cPanel, control panel, and then they brought for me this. So today we shall not pass so far. Once you're at the control panel, you can come and play more about this one at this point. But once you're at the control panel, you should scroll and go to software. Here, you scroll and go to software. So these softwares, they will enable us to install WordPress without suffering. Remember yesterday we had to download WordPress. After downloading WordPress, again we had to extract it and upload it. But here, if you come to cPanel and you go to software, they will just install for us WordPress without doing what? Without suffering. So I'll come to software, and then you see different softwares that we can install. You can come and play with them, but our part is WordPress. So I'll click just on install. Okay, so there is the install. You can read more about this WordPress, but for us we shall just save time and just focus. So don't change anything, don't change anything. The domain remain the same. The domain remain the same. Don't change anything here. Here you can put the name of your website. For example, the name of my website, I said it will be called eNews. eNews. And then I can put here the description of my website. Maybe I can say, stay updated with most breaking news from where? Somalia. Okay, from Somalia. So that's the description of my website. Stay updated with the most breaking news from Somalia. So if it is a shop, you create a description for your shop like that. So after creating this, I'll come here and create the information that I will use to log into my website. This is very important part. Here, admin account. It is important part. You have not to forget this admin and you have not forget this password. It is the one that we shall use to log into what? To our website. You can as well change it and make it in a way that you will remember. But me, I'll leave it the way it is here so that I should remember that. Here you put your email. In case you forget your password, they'll use your email to send you the what? The password. So after setting those simple things, here you can say the language. If you speak Chinese, you can put in Chinese. But for me, I speak English, so I'll leave it in English. So you set the language. After setting the language, you just click on install. Okay? So there are those simple steps. Okay? Then click on install. Then to start installing here. And you wait for a few minutes. Not even minutes, just seconds. So there we have successfully installed the website. So we don't need again to know much. That's all. We have installed what? We have installed the what? The website. Now let us visit our website. So the whole logic, there's no downloading, there's no uploading, there's no what? The whole website is done. Let me go to my link. Remember the link was, let us come here. If I come back to my hosting, where's the hosting service? It is here. I cannot even see it. Okay, I'll come back to my cPanel. Okay, here's the cPanel. I'll just click back and then click back and then okay, my client area. Okay, the client area is here. I'll come back to the client area and then I'll click here on overview, you see, and then my website is here. My website link is here. So let us visit our website link. So I'll open a new tab here and then I put enews.uneux.com. That is the link that I created. Then I press enter. The website is done. We have our website on internet without any hassle. I know people will wonder why is it that simple. Just that's how simple it is. So that's how we create a website using a free hosting. And I believe anyone can do this. In case you get a problem, feel free to do what? To ask your friend. And in case you and your friend get a problem, you come to me. I'll do what? I'll be able to do what? To explain to you. So I have a website. Even if I go to my mobile phone, I can be able to see this website. Let me go to my mobile phone and I show you this website. So I'll open my Google Chrome. Okay, even you can also check from that side, but you may lose it. So I'll open to my mobile phone and go to e-news. It is enews.uneux.com. You can also try on your mobile phone. e-news.uneux.com. So it is loading on my website. So let me switch on my screen and I show you Let me show you. Can you see? Oh, I have to stop the background. You're going to see the reality. I'll show the background so that you can be able to see. So that's where I am in reality. So can you see? Can you see? That's my website. I have made it just within minutes. So the remaining part is just how to manage this website. But you can see, even you where you are, across the whole world, they can visit this website and they check it. So that's how things are simple. So let us now see how we can manage this website before we end our today's class. I will switch back to my screen. Let me first put on my background. Let me go to the beach. Yes, I'm at the beach now. Okay, so I'll stick back my watch. My screen now. Okay, so we are back to the what? To the website. Now we have created the website. Now we want to be managing this website. So you click on this login. Okay? So when I click on this login, I want to log in and I start managing this website. So you see, you remember the content that I told you should not forget. The admin and the what? And the password. So if you forget, then you have no way you can log in here. But if you forget, you can still click here on the lost password. Then you can put the email that I told you should put. Then if you put it here, you'll be able to do what? To log into the what? To the, they'll send you the link to what? To restore the password. But may I still remember my email, so I don't need to reset the what? The email. So I'll come back here, I'll click on login. And then when I click on the login, I'll just put, remember my username was admin. And the password was just pass. Okay? That was my username and password. I can say remember, then I click on login. So when I click on login, it will process and then show me my dashboard. So before we end our today's class, I would like to explain for you something. The WordPress website is having two sides. I repeat, the WordPress website is having two sides. One side is the side of the administrator, and the second side is the side of the clients or the customers who will visit our website. For example, if I go to another browser, let me open a new browser here in incognito mode. I go to my link, it is UNEWS24LEARN.com. This is incognito mode where I'm not logged in. So this is one side for my visitors. They will see my website like this. But if I come back to this mode where I'm logged in, I will see my website with this black panel. I hope you can see this black panel. So this black panel is just only shown to the administrators who created the website so that they can be able to do what? To manage the website. If I come to this dashboard, this side, I don't see that black control panel. Can you see it? The black navigation bar, it is not there. But me as an administrator, I can see it. Okay? So this will enable me to control my website. For example, if I click here on dashboard, it will take me to the back end. And here I'll see different things that I can perform. People who visit my website, they cannot see this side. But we, the administrators who create the website, we can see this side. For example, creating a new post, doing what? We shall look at all these things in the next class. So our today's class will stop from here. So before I end today's class, I would like to summarize what we have looked at today. First of all, we have looked at how to create a free hosting service. We say that you go to that link that I gave you, which is, do I still remember it? We say that we have learned how to create a free hosting service. To create a free hosting service, you go to that link. I don't know whether you note it down. It is pro what? profreehost.com. You go to that link, profreehost.com. When you reach profreehost.com, you click on register if you don't have an account. Then they'll ask you to do what? To put your email, and when you put your email, they will do what? They'll send you a link to your email. Then you confirm that email. Then once you have it, you'll be able to access this client side. So to create a new project or to create a new hosting, you simply click here on create new hosting. Then they'll create for you a hosting. After they create for you a hosting, you'll be able to see this part. So you click on manage. When you click on manage, they'll give you a summary of your website with the link of your website. Then you click on control panel. This control panel will give you a full control for your hosting services. Then after clicking on control panel, you'll be shown a space like this one. A space like this one. So you'll go down where there is softwares. Where there is what? Where there is software. Where there is software. You scroll down here. Software. What is it? Can you see it?
Down.
Okay, it is down. Software. Okay, it is here. You click on software, and after clicking on software, then you select WordPress. You select WordPress, and then you click on what? On install. And then me, I already have the installation, so I don't need to install it again. So after installing, then on your website, they will give you this website. And to log into this website, you simply click on what? On login, so that you can start managing your what? Your website. So you put here your username and the password that you created. And once you're logged in, you'll be able to see a part like this one. UNEWS. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see this bar where you're allowed to go to your dashboard, and you can do what? You can manage the website. And remember, I've said this website has two sites. So we shall stop our class from there. I am going to save this. I'm going to create this video, and this video I'll save it on what? On YouTube. I'll share the link. In case you do not understand, you can come back and watch again what you have looked at in this video. Or in case you came late, I'm going to share this link of this video, and you can come back and watch again this video. So thank you for being part of this class. So okay, so that's all, and thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hey, one member is joining at this time. Who is that? No, this time is not Rabiat. Only a majority.
Rabiat was one of the sent reasons.
Yako sir.